Hello, friends, and welcome to Story Time. Today we're going to be reading a book called Can One Balloon Make an Elephant Fly? This book is by Dan Richards and Jeff Newman. So this is the front cover, this is the back cover, and this is the spine. And the spine says, Can one balloon make and then this part is covered over, but it should say an elephant fly. Okay, let's get started. Can one balloon make an elephant fly? Maybe it can. I see an elephant. I see a hippo. I see a rhino. I see some zebra. And I see a little boy with some balloons. Mom, can one balloon make an elephant fly? This is the title page. No. He's looking down. He looks curious. Can two balloons? No. Three? Evan, please. Oh, he looks a little sad here, and he's holding his elephant toy. What's wrong? The mom asked him. Oh, he's looking down. He looks pretty sad. Wonder if he was talking about a real elephant or if he was talking about this elephant toy. And then the mom says to him, one balloon is definitely enough to make an elephant fly. She looks at him like, I promise. See? And look, she ties the balloon to the toy elephant. But it looks like Evan is ready to give the balloon to a real elephant, right? He gives his balloon to the elephant. Can two balloons make a hippopotamus fly? Do you think two balloons can lift up a whole hippopotamus? I don't know. The mom says, for you, Evan, two balloons should be plenty to make a hippopotamus fly. Really? Wow. So she strings two balloons onto the toy hippopotamus, and he gives two balloons to a real hippopotamus. And Evan asks his mom, what about a family of zebras? And the mom says, zebras? What do you think? I see three zebras here. Three? He asks. Perfect, she says. And he ties 1, 2, 3 balloons to the zebras. One balloon for each zebra's tail. But the mom puts the balloons on the toy zebras. And this page has no words, just pictures. They're looking at a huge gorilla over here. And he gives a balloon to the gorilla. And it looks like mom is tying a balloon onto the toy gorilla. There's also no words here. What's he doing? Looks like he's giving a balloon to there's a balloon on an elephant. There's 2 balloons on the hippopotamus. There's 1 balloon on the gorilla. And there's 1 balloon each on the zebras. And all these people at the zoo are looking at them like, that's interesting. And here's Evan and his mom. Ready, she says. Ready. So the mom lets go of the toy animals with the balloons. I see elephant, zebra, hippo, and gorilla. But Evan's not looking at the balloons over there. What's he looking at? We did it. Aren't they amazing, Mom says? Yeah, amazing, says Evan. What's he looking at? Oh my goodness, what's starting to happen? I see an elephant, a zebra. I see another zebra. I see people pointing and waving their arms. And here they are hugging. And meanwhile, the real animals are being lifted up. There's a real elephant and a real zebra and a real hippopotamus and a real zebra and a real gorilla and a real zebra all being lifted up above the buildings. Wow. And here they are. They're totally flying away, aren't they? Look, they're all the way over the water. Wow, that was pretty cool. The end. So friends, this book was called Can One Balloon Make an Elephant Fly? And it looks like our friend Evan had an imagination that far surpassed what anybody would have thought. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.